Welcome to the video introduction on Gestureworks Core integration with Unity. We will walk you through how to create a 3D multi-touch clock. We will show you how to add 3-finger tilt, scale, and rotation, clock face manipulation, and scene camera manipulation. Let's head over to Unity and see how this is done. To get started, you will need to download our freely available 3D clock model. It comes with the clock and the ramp. Head over to our website and click on the interactive clock link. After you have integrated the 3D clock, it is now time to integrate the gesture processing script. Create a null object and call it main. You will then want to add the main clock controller script to it. This script connects to Gestureworks Core and processes gesture event information. Now we are ready to add touch to the scene. So let's start with the main camera. Drag touch camera to main camera. Then we will need to configure the script to support a size of 2 gestures. We will add end drag and end scale. Let's take a little peek at the script. The touch camera script has 2 methods, end drag and end scale. These are the methods that are called when a gesture is sent to a touch object. Now we can manipulate the camera with drag and scale. With the exception of the camera, everything in your 3D scene will need to have a collider associated with it. You can see in this example that the clock has a box collider and sphere colliders applied to it. Also zooming in on more detail, you'll notice that the minute hand has a capsule collider applied to it. These colliders are required for touchpoint hit testing. We will now add the camera touch script. This one will support 4 gestures, end drag, end rotate, end scale, and 3-finger tilt. Let's see what this looks like. We now have dragging, scaling and rotating, and tilt. Let's move on to making the bells ring. I'm dragging the touch bell script to each bell, and I'm adding a tap gesture to each. Also be sure that when you do this tutorial to include the bell sound. Now let's hear them ring. The second to last thing we are going to add is a rotational gesture to the minute hand. We're adding end rotate to it and associating the hour hand with it. Notice that the 2-finger rotate has inertia applied to it. This is actually a setting specified in the GML. We will polish the final demo with a simple rotational script that simulates second-hand movement. For more information, please visit www.gestureworks.com and wiki.gestureworks.com.